sir, what could be the mindset of majority of traders at such situation, and what SM might be thinking generally? We'll see. First and foremost, it's not always clear whether SM was a part of this rally, this fall or not, right? So maybe they are distributing here and here, and then you get this sharp fall. If they are distributing, you are going to continue this fall. If they are absorbing the supply here, all right, so if this was some sort of absorption of supply, this is some sort of absorption of supply, profit booking happening, and they are accumulating that, then this last point of demand should hold, and market should again recover back up, quickly take out all this inventory adjustment, break price action. If that is happening, then the smart money will not support this down prices. So what are they thinking? It depends on what they are doing here. How do we know what they are doing? We don't know, because we are not smart money. If you have access to smart money, then good, but we are not smart money. Then how can we find out what they are doing? We can only find out after some follow through. So right now we are below this last point of demand, and this is bank nifty. So if you keep finding acceptance to the downside, then we know that once we start into this low usage areas, then we can very quickly come to this HVL. Okay, so there is a big possibility of a sharp fall, and we can then be a part of the sell curve. We are already below the last point of demand, so I'll give it some more time, because Nifty is not yet below LPOD. So once that also goes below LPOD, then we know that what the smart money is thinking. See, this is our problem. This is retail traders problem, right? Why? Because we are trying to make money on all time frames. Smart money, where they have bought, that's the most important question. They were buying when the market was going lower, so their average price is somewhere here. This was a test, probably they have accumulated on some stops. This is where they have bought. Why would they be bothered by a small inventory adjustment break? Okay, if they are selling, then this sharp fall, it makes them happy. If they are not selling, they are buying, this sharp fall, it again makes them happy. Why? Because now all the retail traders, all the amateur traders are pushed out of the game. They can easily mark the price up again. So they are happy either way. All right. It is us retail traders who are worried about all this. Even we should not be worried about such big falls unless and until you are in a position and you are stuck. But even if you are in a position, let's say you had a credit spread, you knew what to do, because it was not an kind of an overnight fall. It happened during the day. So you could have adjusted your positions. You could have gotten out of your position. If you had a debit spread, you have to book your minimum loss, max loss, whatever loss is going to happen on a debit spread. If you are short, you can, you are making good amount of profit, you book that. So that is how, we should be thinking. It is in our mind that all these things are happening. Smart money, they are not bothered about all this. They are calmly executing their plans. Their execution is what is causing all these troubles. All right. So they are always happy.